What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over something real quick. I just want to let my contractors out there know this, my DIYers and everybody who is into construction and trash and all that. Now, I want to say I did do a video a few months back on like a real cheap contractors bags that I reviewed. It was like terrible. Those contractor bags was not it. But I can say for these contractor bags right here, these are pretty decent. This is a 3 mil bag. I know they have thicker bags out there and blah blah blah, but this is a 3 mil bag, and I want to say that you do get how many? 42 bags. This was 42 bags for like 18 bucks or something like that. I want to say that that is not bad, you guys. To be honest with y'all, I think that is a decent price for 3 mils and 42 bags at 45 gallons. These are 45 gallons. I did use 2 of them already. I put wood inside and all that. Nothing teared, depending on probably how you shove it in there, of course. But everything worked pretty well. So just want to give y'all that little quick sell or whatever, a little quick deal, just in case you tired of buying the $20 bags, and the $20 box, and you're only getting like 20 bags or something like that. I figured that if you pay like $18, $17 for 42 bags at 45 gallons a bag, it should be a deal. So other than that, this was at Sam's Club. I was just browsing around and I needed bags, so I said, you know what, let me go ahead and grab these up. I tried it out. I used about 2 or 3 of them so far, and everything is well. Alright, you guys, so we are going to do the final test on the bag, and we are going to do a wood test. Now, this is not the normal wood test that y'all would do, but we are going to do the test on it, and let's see how good these bags are. Now, I'm putting a lot of force into it, and I'm pulling pretty tight, and it is not budging. Alright, now I am not using a lot of force. When you put the wood in the trash, you don't use a lot of force anyway. Most of the time you have the wood like this, and it's a bunch of wood, drywall or whatever. Now this is for my, the contractors, the regular DIYers that's doing regular stuff in the house. You might renovate your bathroom or something, or just little stuff. Then this is definitely perfect for you. But I'm just showing this to contractors to show them that where to get the cheaper bags from. The cheaper bags are definitely at Sam's Club, and no, obviously I am not sponsored by Sam's Club, right? I'm a regular shopper that shop in Sam's Club, but if I see a good deal for y'all, I'll try to get it out to the public. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.